Good morning, El Segundo. Mayor Drew Boyles with a COVID-19 update, April 16th at 11 a.m. Continues to be a challenging time for all of us. It's so encouraging to see people out and about with their creative face coverings, bandanas, homemade masks, you name it. Community is really showing up in support of each other, so really appreciate that. Also heard and saw a parade yesterday for a 7-year-old. It's great to see. So it's great to see people being kind and compassionate during these difficult times. I want to clarify something about the face covering requirement from LA County. It went into effect last night. And to clarify, you are required to wear a cloth face covering, a bandana, whatever you might have, if you are an employee at an essential business. You're also required to wear a face covering when you visit all essential businesses, like grocery stores, restaurants, pharmacies, etc. You're also required to wear a face covering when you're closer than 6 feet with anyone that doesn't live in your household. So if you're walking your dog through the neighborhood, getting that physical activity, keep a face covering with you. You do not need to wear a face covering when you're at home, in your car, or outside and not around anyone else. And also a reminder that face coverings do not protect you from getting the virus, but instead protect others around you. Also, yesterday we mentioned that there are additional requirements for essential businesses, and El Segundo sent out an email yesterday to all businesses with more information. And one thing we'd like to highlight is that all essential businesses must complete the checklist that's been provided by LA County. It's in the appendix. You can find it on our website, elsegundo.org. As I mentioned, we also sent it out in that email last night. You must go through that checklist, post it at the public entrance of your essential business. So please make sure you do that in town, to the business owners in town. And there are a lot of questions. We're here to answer them. I mentioned this yesterday. We have a joint information center. The phone number to get your questions answered is 310-692-1699. Again, that's 310-692-1699. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for continuing to follow these orders. Last count, I believe we had 12 confirmed cases in El Segundo. That's great news for our city, especially relative to our neighboring cities. Let's keep up that physical distancing. Let's continue to stay home. And let's continue to keep our community safe. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.